how fixing your crawl space saves energy. So if you dry out your crawl space, you encapsulate your crawl space, you get control of the indoor environment and dry it out, it will save you money on heating and cooling cost. Let me show you how, okay? So everybody intuitively knows this. Is it harder to heat a gallon of air or a gallon of water? Obviously, a gallon of water is much heavier and it takes a lot more energy to heat a gallon of water. If we have a pot of water on the stove and we turn up turn the burner on, we add heat, and this is how much energy we need to increase the temperature. But once we get to the temperature where it turns to steam, it takes a lot more energy right there to turn it into water vapor, and then we can get it hotter still. And the same thing, if we have damp air in our crawl space and damp air in our house, if it's higher relative humidity, when we cool the air, the cooling, so here's our thermostat set temperature, right? Here's the temperature of the air on the outside that's ultimately coming in that we're cooling. We take this much energy to cool that air, cool that air, cool that air, cool that air. But as soon as we get to the dew point of that relative humidity and temperature air that we started with, it takes a lot more energy to turn that water vapor into water and to drop the water out of the air that the air conditioner does, it dehumidifies, and then we can cool it from there. So because we have heavy water in our indoor air, it takes a lot more energy to change its temperature. So if you dry your crawl space out, you're lowering the relative humidity in your entire house, making it easier and cheaper to heat and cool.